Welcome to the YouTube channel of Silvertouch. Today I'm going to show you the functionality of a module that integrates Bambora as a payment provider with Odoo. First of all, remove the filter of apps and search for Bambora payment provider. It is by Silvertouch. Click on activate. Once it's activated, you have to go into the settings in invoicing. Click on configuration and move towards the payment providers. In payment providers, you can see that Bambora as a payment provider is added. Now for activating it, you will need credentials of merchant ID and hash key. Now these credentials you will get from the Bambora website itself. Now this is the website of Bambora. Here you will have to log in using your credentials. If you have not logged in yet, you can sign in and add the details and collect the different information. I already have logged in, so I have all the details available, and then click on login. Now there will be one code that you will receive in your authenticator app that you will type in. So this is the code. Click on login. Now you are logged into this page. So firstly, as you can see, here is a merchant ID. So this merchant ID you will add in your Odoo configuration in the payment provider in Bambora section, and then let's go into the administrator. In administration, click on account, and in account go into order settings. In the order settings, firstly you can see that there are different settings. First of all, it is approval redirect, and second is decline redirect. So this will be the link of your Odoo database page where you want this transaction to redirect to once it's approved or once it's declined. So this will be based in your database. Next, when we scroll down, we can see here there is one hash key. So you will need one SHA1 hash key that again you will be adding in the payment provider of Bambora section in configuration on your Odoo account. That we will do once we see all the settings in this. Next, move towards the configuration part, and in that click on checkout. In checkout you can see there are different yes or no fields. So this yes or no fields will help you change the view, and in this settings type in a no for allow price modification, and in include invoice or order select the no option. So now we will move to the Odoo database to add the merchant ID and the hash ID. Now add the merchant ID here and hash key. Once it's added, you can currently go into the test mode. And you can publish it from here. So now it's published and people can use Bambora as a payment provider. Now let's test the payment. Go into the website, click on shop and select any product, add to cart, and proceed to checkout. When you click on checkout and confirm the payment, you can see there is a payment method of Bambora. Click on pay now. Now you are directed to this place where you can add the payment information. So this is Visa, and we need to add the name of card holder and card number and the card CVV. Once all details are added, you can click on submit payment. Now the payment has been successfully processed. You can also go into your sales module, SO number 41. Once you validate the delivery, and you create invoice, you can see that payment transaction which is already made by the payment provider and the payment method and all the details related to it are added automatically. There is a second way to test the payment. So in sales module, you can click on new quotation, add the details of customer, add a product. On saving it, you can see there is a preview button, so this shows you the customer portal view, and there's a button of sign and pay, so you can accept and sign here. After that, you can see that to validate the order, you can choose the payment method, which is Bambora. You can click on pay. Again, the same way, name of card and card number you have to add, and the card CVV, and click on submit payment. So as a reference 43, the amount has been successfully processed. To test this, we can go back to the sales module. There's so number 43. Let's validate the delivery, and let's create an invoice. Again, you can see that the payment transaction has been made. The details of payment provider has arrived. There is a third way to test the payment. You can again create a new quotation, add the customer, add any product, confirm the sales order, create a delivery, and validate it. Now the delivery has been done. Create an invoice, create draft, and click on confirm. Now the invoice has been created. Again, you can see a preview button. Click on that. So again, in the customer portal view, a pay now button has arrived, and here again the payment method. Click on play. So the same way, you can add the name of cardholder, the details, and other details, and click on submit payment. Now your payment has been successfully processed here, and the bill payment is done. We can test this thing back to our editor mode in sales module, and in invoicing, we can see that it is paid now. Thank you.